glasses. I gotta get in front of y'all because y'all be cursing.
Y'all, they got new bone. They got new bone right there. This is, what's this? Oh, the Bacardi, I had one I ain't like. You got a video?
Yeah.
Are you doing one there? So we can sit down. I want a glass. Can I keep that glass?
No.
How much is the glass? I want that glass.
Nice, right?
Yeah, I want that glass. I want a set of glasses. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Boom, 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 a boogala. A boogala. You ain't do your booty.
We got the papa.
The Papa Boo? The Papa Double. Papa Double. Doble. Papa Doble.
Cheers, yo. Cheers. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Have a beautiful day.
You too. We'll see you when we come back, okay?
We will see you here.
Okay.
If you don't see me, it's because I'm in lunch. But I'm here all day.
We'll be back by 1. Our tours at 1:15. We'll be back.
Fine.
We'll be back by 2:15.
Right, let me...
Damn though.
Are you videoing? We're not supposed to be talking, remember? So we talk to you.
As long as you don't be cursing, you know, it's a whole lot, you know. I don't want you two to get on me.
Alright, here we go. Feel safer already.
You have a strong urge to smoke, you can do so at the designated smoking area. Where is it at? Back there, really at the very end. Right? So I said, no, let's get 2 more stories because everything's here. Discovery is 4, 8, 6, 8, 2. That's set it up like this so you can't. So you have a certain amount of people. Now, 74 years later, in 1936, we established our first facility here in Puerto Rico.
1936.
Ochoa building.
Yep, that's what he said.
It's still there in Old Town 1, as a matter of fact. So if you go there, you go to the docks where all the cruise lines are. In the very end, this very large building. That's beautiful. Yeah, you really can't miss it. It has a big billboard outside that says, "Walk Walker." If you're your phone up, you just something. And post it on social media. Hashtag that's how I gotta be. If you look good in it, we'll post ourselves along.
Oh, we looking good, baby!
In 1958, we moved across the bay. We landed right here in Cataño. Ever since becoming the largest rum distillery in the world. That's right. We here are 127 acres large. For those that reckon small fans downstairs, that's about 96 fields of pure Bacardi rum. Not cool.
Drunk bag. Is that the drunk bag?
Right. We got a couple cool buildings on all sides. This on the right hand side is the Bacardi gallery with the event center, luxuries, all sorts of things. On the left hand side, that's a small little building right there. That is the one, the only employee area. That's right, that's one of the stuff. You might notice that amazing bat frame on the side. You might have wondered, hey, what's up with that? What's up? Well, that's for our next episode, right? We'll figure out a little bit later. For now, I want to talk a little more about production. Now, what we're going to see here to the right, all this here is all about one thing only, that's making love, the production line. First building here to the right, with the large glass windows, is the blending facility with the extra table blenders and work the magic stuff, the amazing drums you see all over the world. The building itself is named after our previous global master blender. And Maestro Jose Gomez. He gave us an amazing 40 years of service. That's right, 40 years So we just made the whole thing happen because, you know, why not? The circle. Nowadays we have an amazing team of blenders, including, for example, Omar, we have Luz Maria. Luz Maria is the very first female Puerto Rican blender in Bacardi history. That's right. And she's making, you know, like magic of this. So we gotta show some love, guys. They're over there working hard every single day. Every single day, and we don't see them at all, right? But they're there. And without them, we got no love. That's now between the two buildings, right? You guys see back there those 5 large pillars? Those are distillation columns. Those 5 are in charge of making one of our true rum bases, the one we call Filado. Whereas behind the base room, right there by who owns himself a single column, there we make the other rum base. That one we call Aguardiente. Aguardiente and Filado are 2 rum bases, so we'll talk about them a little bit later on. For now, I want you guys to keep an eye on their building itself. That is called like at the drone or the kitchen store on rum. That's right. It tastes like, you know, rum sugar. Which is the very same single straight dose by Bacardi, all the way back in 1862. So it's still alive and kicking. It's right there on the 4th floor. It's behind 3 steel doors. There's really only 5 people in the world. But it's still pretty cool, right? So we're not that used. We ain't got no rum either, right? So you see, there's a tendency here. We need a lot of these working pieces to come together to make sure that at the end of the day, we're left with amazing rum. Now, you might be wondering where the yeast comes into play, and that's at fermentation. And fermentation is done right here on the right-hand side. You see the large round tanks? The fermentation tanks are there. Each one with a capacity of about 55,000 gallons. We have 20 of them in total. That means with that scale, we're able to actually ferment non-stop. So we do 24/7 fermentation and 24/7 distillation as well. Meaning that our distillery here runs around the clock every single day. We're making amazing rum for you guys. That's right. But to do that, we do need a lot of molasses. So if you look here to the right at the end of the street, all the way to the back, you see those stairs. It's got one massive movement back there. That's one of 3. With all 3, we boast a total of 7.5 million gallons of molasses. That's right. Now we have 3 other tanks of molasses. In Puerto Rico, Catalina has just around 50 million gallons of molasses. So one thing and only that is making amazing Bacardi rum. Right? So, right.
Get the mission.
That is going to be your stop. Straight to the right of that side. Once I come to a full hand stop. Alright? Now make sure to take everything with you. Don't leave anything behind, as our next tour guide will be taking this trolley. And I don't want you guys to lose anything. Alright? So, from here on, let's make our way on the legacy experience going, shall we?
Shall we now?
Oh, we get out now?
Building them, giving me a
Fresh bottle.
So, you might be wondering right about now, who we did that? The Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah, these guys run plenty of rum. Yeah. That was so cheesy. She didn't go all the way, she didn't commit, she was like, oh. Like she was spelling the alphabet. So, anyhow, mi gente, the Pirates were published for Mataliao, killed them. Yeah, they called them killed them because they said when they drank the rum, they were purging of all these spirits and demons inside. Make you feel better, you know, sketch it out. But here's the deal. There was a little truth behind it. There was. The pirates would spend months at sea, 6, 7 months, right? And they get really bored. That's why they drank the rum in the first place. It's not because it tasted good, it's because the only thing they had. Right? So, but the deal. They also suffered from a lot of scurvy and illnesses because of, you know, the unhygienic, you know, place they were at. And mainly a lot of them suffer from scurvy, which is the lack of vitamin C. Now, the rum tasted bad, really bad. So we started adding things to it to make it taste better. That's because whenever they would go to any islands, especially here in the Caribbean, they would eat that native Indian leaves. And then see these guys have their remedies for sicknesses and things like some herbs all put together. And so they started integrating that into the rum. So they started adding a little mints, a little sugar, a little lime. Sound familiar?
Mm-hmm. Tequila. I said a tequila and some mojito.
No, save the lives.
Too low.
A little bit more to get understanding of how the rum gets flavored, right? We're making our rum and fermenting with all that good stuff, but at the end of the distillation, fermented, distill, all these things together creates the final product. And so if you have some mistakes along the way, you fix them, at the end you're going to show up through it in that content as well. So it's very important that when you were making rum, you make rum first with the best ingredients you get. Because rum has only 3 ingredients: water, molasses, and yeast. You only have 3 ingredients. You better bet they're going to be good. Alright? And so you can always see when you go to liquor stores, thousands of rums, and that's only 3 ingredients. Right? So there is really impressive aspect of playing with these ingredients. Yeast itself can be there 2 hours on the yeast, right? I was the first domesticated living organism to actually work with before passing out to the seeds, right? Before harvesting food, planting food around growing societies, we were already working with these to create alcohol, right? So all these things are going to go faster than the flavor factors about the spirits, right? But at the end of the day, it's all expert blenders that we make some money. Because their job is to step in to that warehouse, select the barrels they want, and then bring them together, blend them to shape the rum itself. All the flavor is there, and then pieces together to express them the right way. That means every single rum we have is different. Why? Because I don't have to add the same amount of aguardiente that we have. And so those differences is what actually makes each and every one of the rums unique. So the 4-year rum is not 8-year rums. 4-year right?
What is aguardiente?
Aguardiente. So remember why
I have one different and it tastes like
well, that's no longer. That's a different spirit altogether. Alright, that's a spirit. It's complete spirit. What I want to eat is just a poison, as you the same, but it's rum based in a spirit. As a matter of fact, it's growing. Aguardiente is actually, but not like this. I mean, 85% is really not